Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review OneHash CRM. OneHash CRM is an all-in-one customer relationship management tool designed for small and growing businesses. It helps companies manage their sales, marketing, and support activities from a single platform. You can track leads, manage customer interactions, and close deals more efficiently. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started without the technical skills. It also offers automation tools to reduce repetitive tasks and save time. With OneHash, teams can create sales pipelines and move prospects through each stage with ease. It allows you to set reminders, assign tasks, and follow up leads automatically. You can also send bulk emails and run marketing campaigns directly from the platform. OneHash includes built-in report tools to track performance and measure sales results. It supports team collaboration so multiple users can work on deals and share updates. The software also features inventory management, invoicing, and billing tools. To start a free trial, enter your first name, last name, company name, email address, phone number, and country name. It integrates well with other tools and platforms like email and payment gateways. Being cloud-based, you can access it from anywhere at any time. It's a cost-effective solution compared to big-name CRMs, especially for startups. OneHash CRM is designed to simplify customer management and grow your business. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.